Camped around my friends and I, like prowling beasts in search of prey. My foes await my life they pry, to seek some fault in black or gray. Oh Lord, you search the inner part, and hear each silent word and thought. Before the judge I bear my heart. You know the battles I have fought. Surround me now, if not I die. Beneath your wings I choose to stay. I am the apple of your eye. You guard my night and through the day. Defend me, Lord, against each dart, each lie and plan and wicked plot. In lion's den each mouth you'll shut, and bring the prideful down to naught.